I was contacted to do this SEO audits for a local beauty salon in Canada. Let's go ahead and get started with this.
Oh yeah!
So here's the website. We look at it. I'm going to give you some basics, some pointers. This is just a quick audit.
Okie dokie then.
Give you, by the time we're done, you'll have 2 audit reports, where you're ranking at, number 1 thing you want to know, and then number 2, what do you need to fix as far as on-page technical SEO. So overall, I mean, looking at this site, I don't like this area here, because up top, if you look, you got all this, if you will, wasted space, right? Just a bunch of wasted space up here.
That's a damn shame.
So what I prefer is I would prefer to put the logo to the left, right? And then put your menus right here, and then put a big call to action button like book your beauty appointment today, or book now, something like that, or call us now, something that pops out and screams at you and goes, call me, call me, call me, call me. You understand what I'm saying? Book an appointment. Okay. That's what we're trying to get. We go through the site. Overall, it's a pretty site. It's laid out nice. You don't have your GMB anywhere on the home page, your map embedded. You need that. You don't have any reviews from your Google My Business embedded. You need to get that embedded.
Do it.
You want your Google My Business text reviews, all those sort of little things. And if we look at your H1, what we want here is we want to see an H1 that has your salon, right? So that's what we want to look for. If we're looking at your headers, you have no H1. So that's the first mistake. None of these are H1s. You need an H1 above the fold in this area. Above the fold means what I see as soon as I come to a website. Okay, as far as your images, we'll look at your images. 10 of them don't have any alt text. Alt text means when Google looks at this image, what does it see? Does it see beauty salon, or just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We can pop open one of these images real quick, and what it sees is a bunch of numbers, right? That's not any good. If we look at your images altogether, 27 of them don't even have a title. Your links are jacked up, 64 of them. Your social is okay. Then we'll also show you your on-page or technical SEO as far as what we call your Google Core Vitals. We want to look at all that. We look at the back end of your site. And I don't think this is built in WordPress. This is an e-commerce site. Very likely another builder. So I'd need to know that information as well. Take a look at this, but go ahead and let's look at your audit report. This report you're going to get, and it literally goes everything as far as what you need to get fixed as far as on-page technical SEO, as well as your core vitals. So you pass on user experience, but you fail on your SEO and you fail on your Google Core Vitals, right? You need to get those numbers up.
Write that down, write that down!
We can do that for you. If you would like help in getting all these different things fixed, we can do that for you. As far as, if you will, your Google My Business account and everything, you want to make sure you're always responding to your reviews. You want to, even if they're negative, respond to them. Then on top of that, you want to make sure you're posting at least at the salon. I would say 6 to 7 days a week. Normally I see 5 days a week posting. You want to post offers, updates, pictures of women getting their hair done, you know, facials, stuff like that, when they'll allow you to.
He's absolutely right.
As far as, if you will, all your technical issues down here, need to get all these fixed that are failed, the meta description length, you know, keywords in your metadata, your alt image, which we've already went over all that stuff. That being said, the most important thing is your rankings. Where are you currently at? So for the term beauty salon in your area in Canada, you're in the top 10, which is good news for you because that means it would only take me about 3 months to get you to dominate the 3-pack. What do I mean by dominate the 3-pack? So if I was in Canada and I look for beauty salon, I want you to be in the top 3. That means dominating the 3-pack, dominating your competition.
I like the sound of that.
Your average ranking position is an 8.89, and I see that right here. Okay. And then when I come down your GeoGrid, what we want is you already have some movement in these areas right here, right? You're already starting to rank, but what we want is we want this entire map to be this dark green and what I call a cabbage patch. Take me about 3 months, we get you ranked in the top 3, and then you'd be, instead of down here, you'd be up here in the top 3. So give me about 3 months or less and I can make that happen.
Yes, dude, yes!
Okay, I'm gonna send both of these reports over to you. If you'd like my audit sheet, make sure you comment below and I'll get that over to you. If you would like for me to do the SEO for you, this is going to cost you close to $800 a month. And it comes with GMB posting, 10 posts, question answers, everything we talked about, optimizing your Google My Business listing as well as your website. So it's been great. If you need help once again with anything we mentioned with your local SEO audit for your beauty salon, make sure to contact me. I'm going to email this video as well as reports over to you.
Do it.
If you want my spreadsheet, I actually have a spreadsheet I give away. Comment below and I'll get that over to you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys be blessed. Have a great day.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved.